You know, we were talking about death, and you mentioned Ramana, you know, as being eaten by bugs. Now, obviously, there's not a lot. He's not dominated by a lot of desire at that point, right? So even to survive, and he did. He lived, and then, you know, in the end of his life, and he said, "Oh, you know, you have a brain tumor. We should treat it." He said, "Why?" No, no. See, let me die. Okay. I put up with you guys for years now. God damn it, let me die. Anyway, so he just let himself die, which is fine. See, it didn't matter. Do you understand what I'm saying? See, it's not about choosing sides. Everybody wants to make it about choosing sides. See, oh, you gotta always be in the absolute, never the relative. Not going to happen, as long as you're relative. You see, you know, etc. But basically, truth and freedom should be the principles, not other stuff.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.